During this video, we will be explaining the types of worship buildings, procedures, and incidents that you may encounter while working at a client's site. Graffiti vandalism is always a crime. It's the act of marking or defacing premises or other property without permission. Toxic chemicals can be used as weapons that are brought into a religious facility where they are dispersed by explosives. Be especially careful when opening doors during a fire. Close all doors as you pass through them. Do not allow anyone to return to the building for any reason. Important post areas. Let's review some possible important areas on your site. Many places of worship today have installed a fence around the perimeter of the property. This helps to deter unwanted criminals from gaining access to the property. While on patrol, you should always check the fence to make sure that it's not been cut or damaged, reporting any incident. Some congregations do money collections and may ask you to be present at the counting office to be a deterrent and a watchful eye during the money counting process. During any services or events, you'll want to pay particular attention for any suspicious activity. People are typically focused on the service and not their surroundings. This is your opportunity to be their eyes and ears and watch for anything suspicious. The same holds true with entry and exits to the worship building. People are usually greeting and saying hi to each other and not paying attention to their surroundings. You should be especially careful and monitor these times. Some buildings will require you to use a metal detector wand to help with screening people, bags, and packages. Medical emergencies. Should a medical emergency occur on your site, you should immediately call 911. If your site policy allows, you should also request assistance from anyone inside that may be a doctor, nurse, or other medical professional. You'll want to continue to monitor the area for suspicious activity. When chaos is occurring, this is a welcome situation for a criminal to try and enter a property or cause further disrupt. In the case of an active shooter, the Department of Homeland Security recommends that you follow the run, hide, fight format. Let's take a brief look at that. Identifying and eliminating common fire hazards is an important task. Smoke is the #1 killer in a fire, so you want to make sure that your post can be evacuated quickly and easily should this occur.